Imagine a machine that can conjure lifelike images from nothing, like magic. But here's the twist. These AI systems are often black boxes, meaning we don't always know how they make decisions. What if we could peek inside and guide the process with clear, human-friendly instructions? That's where CoCo-Bot steps in, a groundbreaking approach to generative AI that gives us true control over image creation. Let's unpack why this matters. Traditional AI models generate images by learning patterns from vast datasets, but they're hard to steer. Think of it like a chef following a recipe, but not understanding why certain ingredients matter. Previous models tried to fix this by adding hints, like visual cues to guide the AI, but that created more complexity. It's like giving a chef secret notes. Now the recipe isn't transparent anymore. CoCo-Bot flips the script. Instead of relying on hidden clues, it uses explicit human-understandable concepts, like smile, male, or makeup, to directly guide image generation. Imagine telling the AI, make this person smile and have a mustache, and watching it obey with precision. This approach is like giving the chef a clear list of ingredients and instructions, not secret notes. Here's the technical kicker. CoCo-Bot uses an energy-based model, a mathematical framework that acts like a GPS for image creation. The AI navigates an energy landscape, where each concept, like attractive or mouth open, functions as a destination. By adjusting these concepts, you're essentially rerouting the AI's path to create exactly what you want. The results? CoCo-Bot outperforms older models in both control and clarity. In tests, it achieved 75.7% accuracy in understanding concepts, versus 74.38% for previous models, while maintaining top-tier image quality. You can compose or negate ideas, like no smile or smile and makeup, and the AI obeys every command. This isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. No more guesswork. No more hidden rules. Just clear, transparent control. Whether you're an artist, researcher, or curious viewer, CoCo-Bot shows that AI can be both powerful and interpretable. Let's dive deeper. How does this work? Researchers tested CoCo-Bot against an older model called CCI, using 5,000 images generated from the same starting point, like twins in a genetic experiment. They focused on 8 key concepts, e.g., smile, mouth open, and fine-tuned a parameter called gamma to balance accuracy and quality. The data speaks for itself. CoCo-Bot nailed concept accuracy, meaning it really understood when you said add a smile or remove makeup. Its FID score, a metric for image realism and diversity, competed with the best models. But here's the twist. By stripping away cheat codes like extra visual cues, CoCo-Bot forces itself to rely only on the concepts you specify. No shortcuts. Visualize this. When you tell CoCo-Bot to open a mouth, it does exactly that, no weird changes to the eyes or hair. Mix concepts like smile plus attractive male, and it handles it like a pro. Previous models, they'd often get tangled up, like a messy spreadsheet. CoCo-Bot, it's the tidy, organized version. Even when you flip a concept, say, switching male to not male, the changes are predictable and targeted. Every edit is a direct result of your input, no hidden tricks. It's like having a digital artist that literally follows your instructions, step by step. So what's the big deal? CoCo-Bot isn't just another AI tool. It's a leap toward models that are trustworthy and user-friendly. By focusing on explicit concepts, it bridges the gap between creativity and clarity. Whether you're a designer, researcher, or just curious, this tech shows that AI can be both powerful and understandable. Next time you see an AI-generated image, ask, what concepts is it using? With CoCo-Bot, the answer is finally in our hands. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into AI's future, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what concept would you want to tweak in an AI image? Sparkles,